Good evening, my name is Camila Nicole Neira Rodriguez, and today I will be talking about planting trees. I will give a summary about 3 videos I recently saw, and then I will give some similarities and some differences between the videos. The first video is called How Planting Trees Can Help Preserve Climate. There are some factors about these videos. First of all, planting trees can help our atmosphere to clean up the earth because trees produce a lot of oxygen that help human, animals, and all the living and non-living things to stay alive in our earth. Second of all, with the planting of trees, it can help to create more clouds, which can help to eliminate some bacteria with the raining, because with the rain all the bacteria go down to the soil, and the soil makes some chemicals that produce to eliminate all this contamination around the earth. Not just clouds help to eliminate these things, but also help to cool down our earth by reducing the overheating, because with the overheat of our sun, we are producing a lot of diseases and a lot of problems that people are getting through, and also the nature needs a little of cool down from too much sun during the day. Another fact about planting trees is reducing human hazes. Human hazes can be found in deserts, which the soil is very dry, and the video was talking about how important it is to plant a tree per day, and they said that if we are smoothing the soil and helping it to become better, we can start planting trees in deserts, and our environment will increase the amount of oxygen and reduce the pollution that has been taken during the past years, and also is affecting our earth. The second video is called How Planting Clean the Earth, how trees clean the earth. There are some facts about this video as releasing human hazes. As I talked before, human hazes are found in very dry places, mostly in California, in Arizona, in the United States, in the savanna. There are very big deserts that don't have any vegetation that can help our animals to with the food change, and by just planting one tree per day can help our earth to create more oxygen and make it better each time of the year. There are some other factors about reducing the pollution, because each day our environment produces a lot of pollution. There are some examples as the factories and the daily smoking of the cars, some industrials, and some things that are just not very good for our environment, and all the trees help us to reduce all this pollution by just taking all the carbon dioxide and reproducing another chemicals that help our earth to become better anytime. There are some other factors as preventing dust storms, and these dust storms are mostly founded in the factors and the too much pollution that has been surrounded by, and this can be very dangerous for human, for animals, and all living and non-living things, because our earth can get very bad through the years, but with just planting one tree per day, our earth can be better, and also can be safe to become a better planet each time, and also to have better results as we have been having before. The third video is called How What Can Save Rainforest, Your New Cell Phone. This video was recorded in TED, And this person had an experience about going to the forest and hearing a very random thing that nobody could hear it. It was a chainsaw, and because of the sounds of the plants, the trees, the animals that are in a forest, no one is able to hear this sound that is destroying our forest and also destroying our environment because they are taking away the trees. But this person decided to create a device that was made of a cell phone and sun and solar panels, and was put it very high up into the trees in order to detect where is the chainsaw surrounded by the forest. This device worked just by sending some information into the cell phone and then sending some emails to the related persons in order for them to go and prevent a very a very gigantic catastrophic that can affect on our earth. Um, the similarities I found about these videos are that they all want to save nature, they want to create a better environment, they want to release pollution, and they want us to live in a better place as it was before, because nowadays our earth is very contaminated, and with the creation of more factories and more more non nature things, our earth is going to have very much problems as in the past 3 years, because pollution is taking over everything we have in our earth. All the greens are going far away because many chainsaws, as in the third video, they are cutting all the trees in order to create buildings, houses, and this is not going to help our environment. Some differences are about how the way they express each idea in each video, but and there are some other aspects that they talk about the same topics but related to the topics. The first video talked about the climate, the second video talked about cleaning earth, and the third video talked about stopping things from people doing from just creating one piece of device that can help our environment relieve our creation and also make our environment safer than it was before. Thank you very much for hearing me, and I hope you can also plan one tree per day to help our environment and our earth to become better anytime.